Alright, fine. Then how about you start teaching your fans? Make an effing class on being down bad.
Okay. Your
First lesson's called all bark and no bite.
What is your problem? Do you have this shit written down or something?
I'm a You know what? You know what? I'm gonna go in then. Fine. You wanna go in?
Huh? Yeah. Put me in.
Fine. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Bao, your butt has more fans than your music.
Whoa! Take that back now!
You should drop an album called The Rear View.
Okay,
Nerd.
why is my most viewed video on my channel a music video?
Oh, why is your most viewed clip your butt?